Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are safe and secure at home. Stay home, stay safe. Children, today onwards, FA1 revision classes are going to start. Follow the revision timetable and write the revision test without fail. Let us now once again revise Social Studies Geography first lesson, the Earth. Chapter are Earth. We live on the earth along with millions of other animals, plants and microorganisms. Yes, the earth is our home. Yes, we live on the earth, not only human beings, along with millions of animals, plants and microorganisms. But it's the only planet, earth is only planet known have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water, mountains, forests on its surface, and of course life. But our reckless exploitation of the earth has meant the destruction of forests, rivers, hills, fellow animals and even fellow humans also. This has resulted environmental crisis. Environmental crisis means global warming and poisoning of our soil, water and air. This is one more important question. Our universe, the sun and the earth. Our universe. Universe means the combination of matter, energy and space including solar system. What is meant by universe? This is one mark important question. What is meant by universe? Universe means the combination of matter, energy and space including solar system. For thousands of years, humans have been looking into the sky and trying to understand the object that shine there, the stars that remaining fixed with each other, and the sun, the moon and the planets. Means for thousands of years humans have been looking into the sky and were trying to find more information about the sun, moon and the planets. About 500 years ago, scientists came up with a new understanding that the earth is not in the middle of the solar system. It actually moves around the sun. Scientists have figured out that the stars are actually part of larger group of stars called galaxies. Galaxy means a group of stars. Galaxy means, what is meant by galaxy? One mark important question. What is meant by galaxy? Galaxy means group of stars. So there are millions of such galaxies in the universe. So the universe itself started some 13.7 billion years ago. Universe started 13.7 billion ago. The universe itself started some 13.7 billion years ago with a Big Bang. Big Bang means, Big Bang explain how the universe began. Big Bang explain how the universe began. Earth as a planetary body. Earth as a planetary body. In our solar system, the Earth is one of the planet. In our solar system, the Earth is one of the planet. So, Earth rotates on its own axis, goes around the sun in definite orbit. The orbit is the path of the Earth around the sun. The orbit is path of the Earth around the sun. The Earth travels around the sun at a speed 1,07,200 kilometers per hour. It takes 365 1/4 day to complete one revolution. Already previous classes you have studied about rotation and revolution. Rotation causes day and nights. Revolution causes seasons. Next topic, page number 5. Internal structure of the earth. This is very important 4 marks question. The earth is made up of 3 main layers: crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle, core. So first one, crust. We live on the outer part of the earth, which is called crust. So while the crust was boiling in a molten form, the lighter particles cooled at the top and formed the layer of crust. The crust mostly consists of various kinds of rocks. This layer goes up to a depth of 100 kilometers. Next one, mantle. While the earth was boiling in a molten form, the less heavier particles settled in the middle. Here, settled in the middle and formed the mantle. This layer consists mainly of chemicals called silicates. So, it exists at the depth from 100 to 2900 kilometers. Next one, core. While the earth was boiling in a molten form, the heaviest substance formed core. It is composed of dense and heavy substances like iron and nickel. It exists at the depth from 2900 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. It can be divided into 2 sub-layers, outer core and inner core. So, outer core, this layer is composed of liquid. Outer core, this layer is composed of liquid metallic material like nickel and iron. So, it is 2900 to 5100 kilometers thickness. Next, inner core. The solid inner core is made up of iron compounds and heavy substances like gold. So, it is 5100 to 6376 kilometers thickness. Movements of the earth's crust. The shapes and positions of the continents may seem fixed at the time scale of human experience. But old earth is continents have moved, collided, merged and then been torn apart again. Mountains have risen and been razed to the ground. Oceans have formed and dried up. Valleys have been curved and so on during the course of Earth's eventful history. So, the shapes and positions of the continents are not fixed and permanent. Even today, many of the continents are moving very slowly and pushing each other. In the early 20th century, a German meteorologist and geophysicist, Alfred Wegener, introduced the theory of continental drift to describe and partially explain the present arrangement of continents and oceans. Who introduced the theory of continental drift? Alfred Wegener. This is 1 mark important question. Wegener postulated a massive supercontinent, Pangaea, that existed 220 million years ago. Wegener hypothesized that the supercontinent of Pangaea broke up to form Laurasia and Gondwana. Wegener hypothesized that the supercontinent of Pangaea broke up two forms, Laurasia or Angara land and Gondwana land. Laurasia or Angara land and Gondwana land. Gondwana land present South America, Africa, India, Arabia and etc. So these two blocks were separated by long shallow inland sea called Tetsy Sea. Next topic, the earth grid system. The earth grid system. On a globe, a network of latitudes and longitudes is drawn. This is called grid. A grid is a square or rectangular. Here, grid is a square or rectangular that is formed between when two latitudes and longitudes out across each other. In the other words, the network of latitudes and longitudes drawn on a globe is called a grid. With the help of the grid, we can locate places and learn much about them, how hot or cold it would be there, in which direction we should go to reach, and what time would be there at any moment. One mark important question. Next one, latitudes. Some imaginary lines drawn on the globe. Some imaginary lines drawn on the globe run from west to east. These are called latitudes. One imaginary line divides the globe into two equal parts. This is called latitude. 0 degrees latitude, equator. Equator is 0 degrees latitude. Equator divides the globe into two equal parts. Here North Pole and South Pole. North Pole 90 degrees northern latitude. South Pole 90 degrees southern latitudes. 0 degrees latitude to North Pole northern hemisphere. 0 degrees equator to South Pole southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. So 23.5 degrees northern latitude, the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees northern latitude. The Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees southern latitude. Here 66.5 degrees northern latitude, Arctic Circle, 66.5 degrees northern latitude. Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degrees southern latitude. These all are important latitudes. Equator 0 degrees, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, North Pole, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, South Pole. Longitudes. Next one, longitude. 0 degrees longitude is called prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. There are 360 longitudes. We organize the main longitudes into two groups. 0 degrees to 180 degrees going east, which are the eastern longitudes, and 0 degrees to 180 degrees going west, which are the west longitudes. So the longitudes directly opposite to 0 degrees longitudes is called the anti-meridians. So the eastern longitudes from eastern hemisphere, the western longitudes are western hemisphere. So remember, latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines. So what are latitudes? What are longitudes are 1 mark important questions. And the question of time. It takes 4 minutes for the sun's position to move 1 degree of longitude. This means that the time is different for each degree of longitudes. The world is divided into 24 time zones. The world is divided into how many zones? 25 zones. So some countries choose the time along one of the meridian that pass through their territory and follow the time of that meridian for the whole country. This is called standard time. For example, India is Indian Standard Time, IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. For Pakistan is Pakistan Standard Time. So, to avoid the confusion of time, from one place to other, 82 degrees 30 minutes eastern longitude is taken as standard meridian of India and serves as the Indian Standard Time, IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. The exact difference between Greenwich and IST is 5.5 hours. So children, hope you all understood the first lesson. Prepare well for your examinations. Follow the revision timetable. Thank you.